Fourth place goes to the Teka EWH 80D Slim, the model that makes most sense when installation space is the main constraint. It is only 30 centimeters deep and can be mounted vertically or horizontally. Inside are two sapphire-enamelled tanks and a ceramic heating element. Maximum power is 2000 watts, and the digital control adjusts from 30 to 75 degrees. It also reaches energy class B. But there is one important detail to know before buying. Despite the 80 in its name, the official specification lists 74 litres of actual capacity. It also weighs 32.84 kilograms empty, so the wall and fixings matter. It takes fourth place because its slim, multi-position design can solve a difficult space. If you do not need that advantage, the next models offer more control or a better overall balance.